Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can remove the vocals from your audio using CAPCUT PC. Alright, so first open the CAPCUT PC apps and select media and import your audio, your video with content, your vocals to here. And I'm going to select my video with contains the vocals. Okay, so this is the audio music. So this is the video music, which contains the vocal from Adele. And I'm going to remove the vocal. So how to just click on the clip and just right click, and you can select the vocal isolation and you can select remove vocal. Okay, as you can see, applying vocal isolation, just wait for generate. So yeah, it's take a long time, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, so you can listen your audio after you finish applying vocal isolation. See you in the next video.